guys, it's Nina here. Welcome back to my channel, and today is gonna be another makeup tutorial, and this one is all about this look. So I thought of sharing with you guys my favorite look for this fall. I don't know if you see my Instagram these days, so this is my favorite go-to look. So if you want to know how to do this look, then keep watching. As usual, we're gonna start off with a very clean face. So what I use as my moisturizer these days is this illuminating supple blemish cream. I like to use this as my base for my foundation because I don't know, it gives a different effect to my foundation. I can't explain it, but it does. And I tried to put it on my blemishes. I have so much right now. And then I'm using this one by NYX. This is the pore filler. So this is gonna be my primer. So this one is actually, I think, the dupe for the Benefit Pore Professional. The texture is exactly like that. So if you like the Benefit Pore Professional, you can go for this and it gives you the exact results. Now I'm gonna use my NARS. If you're interested to know the color that I use, this one is in Stromboli. So this is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation by NARS. I'll just go put it straight into my face. This foundation is buildable. I used this during summer, just one very thin layer, and during, you know, the winter months, I tend to layer it up. Now I'm just gonna put this liquid highlighter by Marc Jacobs on the high points of my face, and I'm just gonna use my fingers. Just one pump. Okay, there, we're glowing already. So now this is the concealer that I'm using, and it's by NARS again. This is my favorite concealer. I like the consistency and I think it matches my color very well. I play between custard and ginger, so I have both. So sometimes I feel like I'm custard, like right now, I guess because summer's over and I feel like my skin already like lightened a little bit. During summer, I would grab my ginger. And I'm using this one by Sephora. This is their airbrush concealer. Don't forget there as well. So I'm trying to finish the face first, and then we're gonna go to the eyeshadow. So I'm now just gonna set everything. So all the cream, we're gonna set them with a powder, and I'm gonna use, where's my powder? Using this loose powder. You can buy Chanel, but you can use any loose powder, really. It doesn't have to be Chanel. I'm just like brushing the powder. I'm not really depositing the powder on my face, if you know what I mean. I'm just gonna contour with the powder. I'm using this one, Black Up. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna put my blush, and I'm using this, I have this palette by MAC. So I'm using this mauve color right here, ever so slightly on my face. We don't want neon right now. We don't want this bright pink right here, right now. Just this one. And then now I am gonna use this one by Huda Beauty, the highlighter. So I'm gonna mix this two together, Seychelles and Zanzibar. This one is by MAC 137 brush, and like I said, I'm just gonna mix this two together because this one is like too white on my face. I have to put a little bit of this or this sometimes. And then just here, and then same thing on the other side. So for this look, I'm not really gonna define my brows. I'm just gonna fill it in with a powder. And I'm using this one, again by MAC. So you can use any eyebrow powder. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows. I'm just using this mini brush right here. And I'm just filling it in. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I think that's the trend nowadays. Don't have to be perfect. And we're done with the eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my favorite eyeshadow look right now this fall, and it's gonna be the orange one. So any orange eyeshadow that you have is gonna be okay. If you have the Modern Renaissance, I think there's burnt orange there. You can use that too. And I'm just gonna use this one right here. But first, let me put something on my eyes, and I'm using this concealer by Becca in Tan because I find that you can actually use this as your eyeshadow primer. I don't know, I just suddenly tried it and it works. I'm just gonna use this light brown shadow all over my crease. So this is our transition color. I'm just gonna put that there. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. And then we go in with this orange one and just tap it all over your lid. That's it. That's it. Very easy. All over your lid. See, I love it. I love this color right now. This is my everyday fall eyeshadow color and I feel like it's really perfect for my skin tone. I can wear this all year round, even in summer, to be honest. I'm just gonna go in with that transition color again, just so there's no harsh line there. So that's it. And then with a pencil brush, so pencil brush is like this. It looks like a pencil. Get a dark brown color. Put it on the outer corner of your eyes just to give it a little bit of a dimension. Also on the inner corner of my eyes. So that's it. Oh, and also with that dark eyeshadow, I'm just gonna put it here as well on the lower lash line. Doesn't have to be full, just so there's like a continuity in your shadow. Yeah, see, I have a lot of fallouts. Just brush that away, brush that away. Let me just contour my nose a little bit. Just a little bit, just here. Just a mini contour of the nose. And then now the eyeliner. So I make it really, really thick. Really like a cat eye. I'm gonna do that. Where's my eyeliner? So I'm using this liquid eyeliner by Kat Von D. This is my favorite. I find it easy to apply and it doesn't smudge. Like I said, I'm gonna make it really thick. Not yet. Now you can curl your lashes and then put on your favorite mascara or your eyelashes, your fake eyelashes. So I've put in the lashes. For the lipstick, I'm just using Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is in Ashton. This is a kind of brown orangey color. And then I'm just gonna put a gloss. This one's by Marc Jacobs. This one's like a lipstick gloss. It's really nice. Again, it's in peach. So just there. And that's the look. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. And I'll see you guys on my next video, vlog, beauty vlog. We'll see. Keep smiling.